Hello parents. As always, in these lessons, my first message is to you. I know your child might be struggling with some of the things that we're doing, but this is important in their development for mental maths. Again, I will post a link down below to an article that might help you understand why we're doing this the way that we're doing it. Remember, mental maths will boost your child's memory skills, increase concentration, and help them develop a deeper understanding of complex concepts. So, now that that's out of the way, let's get on with the lesson. Hello everyone, and welcome once again to Math Magic. Today, we are going to be subtracting two-digit numbers using a number line. Let's go over our learning sentences for today. I can divide a two-digit number into tens and ones to help me subtract one two-digit number from another two-digit number. I can draw a number line using the numbers that I need to subtract. I can cross a 10 correctly when I subtract. All right, everyone. Are we ready? Good. Then let's begin. Today, we are going to subtract one two-digit number from another two-digit number. We are going to draw our own number lines to help us. Take a look at this sum. How could we use a number line to help us? Very good. Many of you have remembered how we did our plussing and how we were subtracting on the number square. Yes, a lot of the steps are the same. We split that second number into tens and ones. So 15 becomes 10 and 5. Now, let us draw our number line. Now, because we are taking away, this time, our big number goes on this end. And our answer is going to finish up here. Because we are subtracting. Remember, when we're subtracting, we're going backwards on a number line. So, our big number goes here at the right end of the number line, and we're going to be jumping that way. Now, just like in our plussing, we are going to make two jumps. We're going to make a big jump for the tens and a little jump for the ones. So, big jump for the tens, a little jump for the ones. So, 28 take away 10. Well, we need to count backwards in tens. So 28 take away 10 is, very good, 18. Then we take away the ones. 28 take away 10 is 18. 18 take away 5. 18, 17, 16. Very good. 18 take away 5 is 13. So 28 take away 15 is 13. Excellent. Well done. Here comes another sum. 37 take away 24. How do we do it? Very good. We split the second number. Now remember, in subtracting, you don't have to look to see which number is bigger, because we know that in takeaway, the first number is always bigger. So you can go straight to the splitting. 24 becomes 20 and 4. All right, what's next? Yes, we draw. We draw our number line. Remember, we're taking away, so we're going backwards on the number line. So the 37 belongs here. 37. We're going to be jumping that way. So we make a big jump for the 10s and a little jump for the 1s. We take away 20 and then we take away 4. So 37 take away 20. 37, 27. Very good. 37 take away 20 is 17. Now, let's take away 4. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. So, 37 take away 24 is 13. Here we go. Now, let's try this next one. I want you to try doing it just a bit ahead of me. All right? And then we'll see if you're right. The sum is 38 take away 12. All right? So, split that second number. Go ahead and do it right now. Did you split it? Good. So you should have gotten 10 and 2. Did you manage that? Very good. So, what's next? Yes, next we draw the number line. Go ahead. Draw your number line right now. If you have a ruler, try and remember to use it, so your lines aren't as wonky as mine are. Okay, so we draw our number line. Where do we put the 38? Very good, very good. We put the 38 there on the end. Remember, we're going backwards. We're taking away. Now what? Yes, now we take away the 10s and then we take away the 1s. So big jump for the 10s, little jump for the 1s. So take away 10 and take away 2. All right, take away 10. Did you do it? 38 take away 10 is 28. Very good, very good. All right, now take away the 1s. Excellent, excellent, yes. 28 take away 2 is 26. Fabulous job. So, 38 take away 12 is 26. Magnificent. You guys are doing so well. I'm going to give you another sum and then I'm going to go and have my cup of tea. It is tea time after all. And when I get back, we'll check your work together. Okay, here is your sum. 49 take away 26. Okay, so remember to split, then draw, and finally subtract. If you follow those 3 steps, you'll manage without a problem. Have fun. See you in a few minutes. My goodness, I love a lovely cup of tea. So, did you manage to do it? Very good. Let's see how you did. All right, 49 take away 26. First, we split 26 into 20 and 6. Then we draw. Nice number line with the big number at this end. Remember, we're taking away, so we're going backwards. Then we subtract. Big jump for the 10s, little jump for the 1s. We take away 20, then we take away 6. So, 49 take away 20. 49, 39, 29. 29 take away 6. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. 23. So 49 take away 26 is 23. Excellent. I'm so proud of you. So far, none of the subtraction sums that we've done have crossed a 10. Now we're going to do one that does. Here we go. 63 take away 38. Now, we know that this one is going to cross a 10 because 8 is bigger than 3. But we're going to do it almost exactly the same way. There's only going to be a little change at the end. Do you remember when we were adding using our number lines and at the end we did 2 jumps instead of 1? It's very much the same when we subtract. Okay, so here we go. First, we split. 38 becomes 30 and 8. Then we draw. Nice long number line with the big number at this end. Because we're subtracting, we're jumping backwards. We take away the 10s. Nice big jump for the 10s, and then we're going to do 2 little jumps for the 1s. All right. Let's see how we're going to do this. So 63, take away 30. 63, 53, 43, 33. 33. Now, we are going to jump backwards to the next multiple of 10 smaller than 33. Remember, the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Which multiple of 10 comes right before 33? Very good. 30 comes before 33. And how far did we have to jump to get from 33 to 30? Yes, well, that makes sense. We had to go 3. So, we wanted to take away 8. We only took away 3, So we have a little more to jump. How much more do we have to jump? Very good. 5. So 30 take away 5 is 25. Now, remember what we said in adding. If making 2 jumps was too confusing and you find yourself unable to do the takeaways all of a sudden because this is just confusing you too much, just make 1 jump. That's fine. Okay? Do what works best for you. But let's practice doing this a little bit more. Here comes the next one. 42 take away 28. Are you ready? What do we do first? Yes, first we split. We split that second number into tens and ones. 20 and 8. Now what? Very good. So many of you have already drawn your number line on your whiteboard exactly as you should. Great job. And where do we put the number? Yes, at this end, because we're jumping backwards, because we're taking away. And now what? Yes, now we subtract. Big jump for the tens, 2 little jumps for the ones. So, first we take away 20. 42 take away 20. 42, 32, good, 22. Okay, now, what is the nearest multiple of 10 before 22? The multiple of 10 before 22. Very good. 20. 20 is right before 22. So, to go from 22 to 20, how far did we have to travel? Yeah, that one was easy. 2. Okay. Now, we took away 2. We need to take away 8, so we've got to jump a little bit further. How much more do we need to jump? Yes, we need to jump 6 more. So what is 20 take away 6? Ooh, my goodness, how quickly some of you got that. My goodness gracious, great balls of fire, like lightning. 20 take away 6 is in fact 14. So 42 take away 28 is 14. Now remember what we've been saying. If making those 2 jumps confuses you, just do 1 big one. You don't need to do it this way if this way doesn't work for you. All right? Okay, let's do 1 more. This is the last sum that we are going to be doing today. Now, if you're still a bit confused, don't worry. We will be doing more of these in our next lesson. Okay? So, today we started subtracting 2 two-digit numbers using a number line. In our next lesson, we're going to continue with the same thing. So if you're still not quite sure, don't panic! Be calm. We are going to be doing it again. So, let's do the next one. 75, take away 39. There it is. Now this one, I want you to try doing just a little bit ahead of me. Okay? So, first we split. So, split that 39 into tens and ones. Go ahead and do it now. Very good. Yes, 39 is 30 and 9. Fabulous. Now what? Yes, very good. Now you draw. You draw your number line. And we put the big number at this end. Very good. So, now what? Yes, now we subtract. 1 big jump for the tens and 2 little jumps for the ones. Or, if 2 little jumps for the ones is too confusing, then just do 1 jump for the ones. Okay, go ahead and do your jumps. Yes, yes, many of you are doing a fabulous job. All right, you ready? Okay, here we go. So, a big jump for the tens and 2 little jumps for the ones. Or, if you're not ready for the 2 little jumps, do 1 big jump. That's okay. So, first we take away 30. 75, take away 30. 75, 65, 55, 45. 75, take away 30 is 45. How are we doing so far? Did everybody get that? Good. So, now let's jump back to the nearest multiple of 10. The nearest multiple of 10 before 45 is... How smart you are. It is 40. Well done. And to get from 45 to 40, we had to take away 5. Good. Last jump. How far do we have to go? Yes, yes. We've already jumped 5 and we want to jump 9. We just need to jump 4 more. So, 40, take away 4, is in fact 36. So 75 take away 39 is 36. Remember, if you found these 2 jumps confusing and instead of that you just made 1 big jump like that, that is okay. Don't worry. All right? That lesson. Now, remember, if you found anything in that lesson confusing, don't worry. We will be continuing subtracting 2 two-digit numbers using a number line in the next lesson. So today, you are not going to have a workbook page. Instead, you've got a worksheet to do, which has some things on it to help you. All right? I will see you again in our next lesson. Have a fabulous day. Goodbye.